imagine that there's a building. Let's say your जो तुम्हारा psyche है ना, अंदर तुम्हारा जो identity है ना, this is on different floors of the building, and the name of this building you can say is levels of consciousness. Okay, so किसी का identity energy is on floor number 1. किसी का identity energy mostly resides in floor number 5. किसी का identity energy resides in floor number 10. किसी का identity resides in floor number 15, 20, 30, 40, 50, or whatever. Now, if somebody is at the level of consciousness, now what do I mean by level of consciousness?
Somebody who's aware at a certain level about themselves.
So what would that mean? What would mean to be aware at a certain level?
Conscious. मैं ही आंसर देती जा रही हूँ, मतलब
बाकी लोग क्या कर रहे हैं भाई? What do we mean by level of consciousness?
That after this I'm going to do that. Maybe like if the emotions is going to hit, my reaction will be like that.
Okay, so then is that high level of consciousness or that's a low level of consciousness?
At least you are identifying that this is gonna happen after this. You mean to say
you used a very good word. You used a very good word to describe levels of consciousness. What was that word, Prashant? Others also.
Action.
No, just now you said something which was a very good word to describe the level of consciousness.
I'm going to.
You are something you said.
React.
So when you react, is that a high level of consciousness or low level of consciousness?
Low level.
Low level of consciousness. Okay. So what is an example of a high level of consciousness?
You don't react.
You don't react. And what can help you not to react?
Just to avoid the situation.
Yeah, but what will help you? What will help you not to react? What you used one word when you were saying.
So respond in a constructive manner, I would say.
You said that something. What was that? You are not so. What did you say?
I don't remember what I said.
Just remember what he said as one word, which was very, very useful to know what your level of consciousness is. You are not so dashed to your whatever sensations, emotions, or I say you use the word.
Identified.
Identifying. You use that word, identifying. जितना तुम आइडेंटिफाई करते हो ना, तो उतना तुम्हारा लेवल ऑफ कॉन्शियसनेस कम है. जितना तुम देख सकते हो उतना तुम्हारा लेवल ऑफ कॉन्शियसनेस ज्यादा है. समझ रहा है कि नहीं समझ रहा है? जितना तुम आइडेंटिफाई, अभी तुम ये क्लासेस में आए हो तो आई एम अज्यूमिंग थोड़ा लेवल ऑफ कॉन्शियसनेस बढ़ा होगा कुछ महीनों के बाद, होपफुली. आई कांट से, बट व्हाट अबाउट बिफोर द क्लासेस? Or even before you came into any kind of spirituality and mindfulness, what was your identifying level at that time? And why was that less? Why was that less at that time? Because
we were not identifying that thing, that what is the reaction. I mean, we used to react on the situation. Before understanding, it is like a quick reaction.
And why was that reaction? Whatever be the reaction, whether it's reaction of avoidance or fear or escape or addiction or reaction or anger or withdrawal or जो भी reaction, हर एक का अलग अलग style है वो. But वो reaction क्यों होता था? Immediately वो क्यों होता था?
Because it was hurt. You were not
because
knowing.
And why was that hurt happening so much that now you can respond a little bit, but earlier कितना ये reaction क्यों होता था?
Because you used to take it seriously about that person. We have just created the image that no, this is affecting me.
So you are taking it seriously, and you are taking it what?
Sorry.
What is the other word? You are taking it?
Because we were not aware.
Yeah. So not aware means you are identifying with what?
Mainly
The
the
image
body,
what you-
mainly the body, I would say, or the false identity that we have of ourselves.
Self-image.
Self-image. So you are taking it what? Abhi ye to common language mein fill in the blank. I'm taking it
Personally.
personally. The person believes that the person is affected. The person and your belief in the person is so strong that you are so identified with that ego and that identity कि तुम्हारा और वो person में कुछ अंतर ही नहीं है, वो एकदम merge है. Who you are and that person एक ही है. तो जो unaware है वो तो खून भी कर देगा क्योंकि वो अटैक हुआ है. Are you getting what I'm saying? जैसे हरियाणा में I think there is this very honor and all that stuff because they are so identified, that male identity is so identified with that they will kill people also for that honor. Are you getting what I'm saying? If you look at a terrorist, he is so identified with his ideology that he is willing to give up his life. And if I may say the other thing, okay, ये भी मैं अभी mindful living class में हूँ इसलिए मैं कह सकता हूँ. Even patriotism is an identification with a certain idea of a nationality. It may be glorified, हाँ अपने देश के लिए कर रहे हैं and all that, but it is still an identification with a certain nation. Are you getting what I'm saying? So ये जो तुम्हारी आइडेंटिटी है ना, ये आइडेंटिटी को हिट कर रहा है और तुम्हारे और आइडेंटिटी में ना कुछ फर्क ही नहीं है. तुम इतना बिलीव करते हो ना कि ये मैं हूँ, दिस पर्सन कॉल प्रशांत, दिस पर्सन कॉल भावना, कि इसमें और मेरे में कुछ फर्क ही नहीं है, मैं ही हूँ. योर मतलब वो you and that identity is like this. So when are you able to respond? So basically that means that's a low level of consciousness, because when you're at that low level of consciousness तुम में और उसमें कुछ फर्क ही नहीं. तो इसके लिए जब तुम्हें लगता है ना मैं affected हूँ, and when that becomes so painful, that self image, then you may either kill someone or either you may kill yourself, because that identity is so affected. You feel you have been attacked, you feel you are hopeless, you feel मेरी life में कुछ अभी फ्यूचर नहीं है. इसके लिए यू एक्चुअली कुछ नहीं, सिचुएशन ही है, बट तुम्हारी आइडेंटिटी इतनी हिट हुई है ना, और तुम यू आर सो आइडेंटिफाइड विद इट, दैट्स व्हाई इट्स बिकमिंग सो पेनफुल एंड अनबेरेबल. So the more you're identified with your identity, which you have, which is nothing but an idea or an ego identity or a person identity, then that means low level of consciousness. And what would be a higher level of consciousness?
You just ignore things. You just listen and just ignore it.
So what will enable you to do that? Why can't you do it earlier? Why are you able to do it now?
Because we are not taking it sensational. I mean, the sensations, you are feeling it and just passing it on. You are observing,
Yes.
as you said, we are just observing and pass it on. Don't take it personally.
You are observing. Okay. Anybody else wants to say? What does it mean that you are at a higher level of consciousness?
It is very understand that you are a separate person. You are not this body, and this is just like a clothing that we are wearing. जिस कपड़े पहने वैसे.
Who are you? Then the question is, who are you? Okay, you are not this person, which means this person का सबसे बड़ा identification क्या है? ये person identifies, the first thing it identifies with what?
Body.
With the body. That this is me. Like, oh, मेरे को पिंपल आ गया. Oh, मेरे बाल गिर रहे हैं. Oh, ये सबसे बड़ा identification है with this body. Even though this body is constantly changing, but ये लगता है कि ये मैं हूँ. फिर आता है बाकी सब. ओके, मैं इस समय पैदा हुआ था. I have a spectacle shop. Oh, I am short tempered. Oh, I am soft spoken. I am loved, unloved. वो जो भी स्टोरी तुम्हारी है, फिर वो बाद में फिर उसके बेसिस पे एक पूरी ईगो आइडेंटिटी क्रिएट हो गई. और ये सब अनकॉन्शियस है, तुमने कॉन्शियसली नहीं किया, ये अपने आप ही अनकॉन्शियस. और फिर वो ईगो आइडेंटिटी को कोई अच्छा भी बोले तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है फिर. हाँ, it both ways. ऐसा नहीं है कि तुम्हें बुरा ही लगता है. हाँ, कोई तुम्हें बोले, oh, you are so lovely, you are so kind, you're sensitive, I really love you, can I spend the rest of my life with you? तो फिर क्या होता है ईगो आइडेंटिटी को? हाँ भावना, कैन आई होल्ड योर हैंड?
नहीं, फिर उसको तो बोलती हूँ अपने फ्लैटरी बंद कर और पॉइंट पे चाहिए क्या तुझे?
तो फिर वो ईगो आइडेंटिटी को अच्छा भी लगता है और फिर वो जब नहीं मिले तो बुरा भी लगता है. तो तुम्हारी लाइफ इज इन डुअलिटी. When you are identified with the ego identity, that means your life is a life of duality. अच्छा लगेगा कोई अच्छा करेगा, बुरा लगेगा कोई ऐसे रहेगी तुम्हारी लाइफ, घूमती रहेगी. प्लेजर पेन, प्लेजर पेन, प्लेजर पेन, प्लेजर पेन, प्लेजर पेन. 2 दिन लाइक इन क्लोज रिलेशनशिप, 2 दिन 3 दिन अच्छा, फिर 2 दिन 3 दिन झगड़ा, फिर 2 दिन 3 दिन अच्छा, फिर 2 दिन 3 दिन झगड़ा, ऐसे होता है. This is the nature when you're identified with your ego identity. So what can enable, like Manish said, that I am not this ego identity, that awareness is there, or you're observing. So then who are we really speaking? Or what enables you to not identify with that person, that ego, that identity? क्या, what enables you to इतना तुम merged हो, but एक time आता है जब तुम देख सकते हो, तो क्या मतलब क्या, what is the process in that?
Consciousness.
Consciousness, okay, but consciousness means what? Give me a practical word for it in terms of what do you do, mean even to be conscious.
I am talking from self-observation, talking from experience. It is self-observation.
Self-observation. So when you say self, means what are you observing?
The sensations.
The sensations
Thoughts.
and all of that. Okay, thoughts and all of that, which is the ego identity ka jo bhi manifestation ho raha hai, you're observing. Okay, that small self. It is not. And when you're observing, then where are you observing from? Now, this is very important. Where are you observing from? So वो ego identity तो तुम नहीं हो, क्योंकि तुम देख सकते हो, उसके thoughts देख सकते हो, उसके sensations देख सकते हो, उसका सब कुछ देख सकते हो, उसका drama देख सकते हो. तो ये observe कहाँ से कर रहे हो? ऑब्जर्व तो करते हो ना कहीं से, तो कहां से ऑब्जर्व कर रहे हो, कौन ऑब्जर्व कर रहा है?
We just feel that, and mind observes it. It creates a picture.
हाँ, mind observes it. Mind तो यही है ना, mind is nothing but your thoughts. वो तो mind is basically your thoughts. Mind is another word for your ego identity. Mind is another word for thoughts. So वो तो तुम observe, you're observing your mind. When you're observing your thoughts, when you're observing your sensations, you're observing your mind. Then where are you observing from?
Experiences or suffering?
नहीं, what is observing? तुम बस देख रहे हो, thoughts चल रहे हैं, तुम देख रहे हो, sensations चल रहे हैं, तुम देख रहे हो. अभी हम sitting practice करते हैं तो वही तो करते हैं. You're just observing whatever is happening. It's coming and going. It's like clouds, comes and goes. You're just watching. Where are you watching from? Mind, so that's what I'm saying. In my language, I'm saying mind is already your thoughts.
That space between mind and consciousness.
Mind and conscious, that space between mind. So okay, anybody else wants to try? Okay, that's a good attempt, Mukta. Space between mind and consciousness. Okay, chalo, aur kya you want to add? What is observing? Okay, let's say, what is observing? Is Prashant the person observing? Is Manish the person observing? Or what is observing? Those thoughts, those sensations.
Identity.
So it is a consciousness.
Consciousness, okay.
I don't have any words for it. मतलब I cannot describe it. I can call it as a presence. But जो भी है वो शांत है और वो background में है, वो observe कर रहा है.
It's me who is observing. actually.
Me as in who? Me, the Prashant, who is with all the
Identity.
history.
Identity.
तो वो आइडेंटिटी को तो ऑब्जर्व कर रहे हो तुम. जब ये थॉट्स आते हैं तुम थॉट्स को ऑब्जर्व कर रहे हो, which means you're observing that identity. ये sensations आते हैं तुम उसको ऑब्जर्व कर रहे हो, which means you're observing the identity. ये thoughts and your identity is nothing but your thoughts and sensations, emotional sensation. But you're observing that. So how can the identity observe the identity? फिर कितनी आइडेंटिटीज हैं तुम्हारी? तो जब तुम थॉट को देखते हो या सेंसेशन को देखते हो तो क्या देखते हो? कौन देख रहा है? कहां से देख रहे हो?
That silence.
So this is the whatever you are saying is perfect. उसके बारे में ना कुछ बोल नहीं सकते,
Okay.
बट कुछ तो देख रहा है. उसको अभी तुम वर्ड्स यूज करूंगा. बेस्ट वुड बी स्पेस, साइलेंस, कॉन्शियसनेस, प्रेजेंस. These are the words you can best say. अभी ये साइलेंस, स्टिलनेस, कॉन्शियसनेस, प्रेजेंस, अवेयरनेस, ये प्रशांत नहीं है, ये भावना नहीं है, ये मनीष नहीं है, ये है. ये बैकड्रॉप है. जैसे स्काई है, ये कॉमन स्काई है. ये प्रशांत का स्काई नहीं है, ये भावना का स्काई नहीं है, अजय का स्काई नहीं है. ये स्काई है. ये दिस इज ऑल परवेडिंग. ये मनीष के लिए अलग नहीं है, ये प्रशांत के लिए अलग नहीं है, भावना के लिए नहीं. ये साइलेंस, स्टिलनेस, स्पेस, प्रेजेंस, कॉन्शियसनेस, ये एक ही है. दिस इज योर ट्रू सेल्फ. When you can observe whatever is happening without any intent कि इसमें मैं कुछ करूंगा, इससे मैं ये करना है, वो करना है. ये तो तुम्हारा आइडेंटिटी करता है कि I should become calm. How can I react like this? I should be like this. ये जो भी है ना, ये तुम्हारी आइडेंटिटी स्टोरी चालू करेगी. But when you're just allowing something to happen, you're just observing it. चल रहा है. Thoughts आया, चला गया. Sensation आया, चला गया. उसमें तुम कुछ अपना पर्सनल एजेंडा, गोल ऐड नहीं कर रहे हो. Then you can say your level of consciousness has gone. Are you getting what I'm saying? एक minute, but I will come to you, Prashant. But I want to just say, I want to just check. Are you guys getting what I'm saying? When you're very identified with your thoughts and your personal identity, your level of consciousness is very low, very poor. When there is space between, like किसी ने कुछ बोला, you can observe the thought, you can observe the sensation. There is space. You don't try to do anything. You just watch. That means your level of consciousness is gone. जितना space आएगा, उतना level of consciousness बढ़ जाएगा. So the solution to your problem is not the solution that you can find on that particular level of consciousness. So supposing your level of consciousness is floor number 5. एक building है जिसमें अलग-अलग levels of consciousness है. So floor number 5 में 5% consciousness है. And if you are trying by your mind to find a solution to your problem, in that level of consciousness, you will not be able to find a solution. The solution to your problem is to raise your level of consciousness. तो वो problem होगा ही नहीं, वो level, वो floor का. Are you समझ रहे हो कि नहीं समझ रहे हो? तुम्हारा जब level of consciousness बढ़ेगा, when you move to let's say floor number 15, तो floor number 5 का problem ही नहीं होगा, क्योंकि तुम्हारा तो consciousness बढ़ी है, अभी वो problem ही नहीं है. वो problem था your identification के वजह से. That is the problem. The problem is not the situation. The problem is your identification with your inability to disidentify. और जैसे जैसे तुम्हारा लेवल बढ़ता रहेगा, जो तुम्हें चीजें इतनी बॉदर करती थी पहले, वो इतना नहीं बॉदर करेगा, क्योंकि now you have greater space. You can allow for things to come and then ठीक है. So basically जो भी होता है ना, the best attitude है कि कुछ करो मत, बस उसको देखो और surrender कर. Don't try to find a solution, because when you don't try to find a solution, your energy gets released from that ego identity, and that energy goes into consciousness. Are you getting what I'm saying? So your energy is right now, let's say you have a certain investment in your identity as bhavna, correct? The bhavna is a certain person and all that. When that identity is triggered, it will release some energy in the form of uncomfortable sensations. Now, if you create a story, then you are still stuck with that identity called bhavna. But if you're able to observe and just surrender it, वो जो आइडेंटिटी में अटकी हुई एनर्जी है ना, वो रिलीज हो जाएगी और वो कॉन्शियसनेस में चली जाएगी और उससे तुम्हारा लेवल ऑफ कॉन्शियसनेस बढ़ जाएगा.